If Photopea is freezing on you, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to troubleshoot the issue, protect your work, and get Photopea running much smoother again. Whether the freeze is caused by a heavy project, too many browser extensions, low memory, or a graphics acceleration problem, these fixes will help you narrow down the cause fast. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and creative workflow tips. Alright, let's get started. First, if Photopea is frozen, but still gives you a chance to respond, perform an emergency save right away. On Windows, press Ctrl and on Mac, press Command and This is the fastest way to save your current progress locally before you force close the tab, refresh the page, or restart your browser. Even if the app feels unresponsive, it is always worth trying that save shortcut first because it can prevent you from losing a lot of work. Now, if Photopea keeps freezing, the next thing you should do is test it in an incognito or private browsing window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift and N. Open Photopea there and see if it runs better. This test is important because browser extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or even some download helpers can interfere with how Photopea loads and processes your project. If Photopea works better in incognito mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions is causing the slowdown. In that case, go back to your normal browser window and disable extensions one by one until you find the one creating the issue. Start with anything that blocks ads, tracks scripts, or changes page behavior. After each change, reload Photopea and test it again. That way you can identify the exact extension instead of turning everything off at once. Next, reduce your system and CPU overhead. Photopea runs inside your browser, so if your computer is already under pressure, freezing becomes much more likely. Close any unused tabs, especially tabs playing video, running games, or using heavy web apps. Also close background programs you do not need right now. Things like screen recorders, chat apps, cloud sync tools, and extra browser windows can all use memory and CPU in the background. If possible, use a clean browser profile while editing. A clean profile helps reduce background script activity, extension conflicts, and random CPU spikes. It can make a surprising difference when Photopea is struggling on a busy system. If your computer is low on RAM, even a few extra tabs can be enough to make the app lag or freeze, so simplifying your workspace often gives you an immediate improvement. Now let's optimize the project itself, because sometimes the issue is not your browser at all, it is the file. One quick fix is to deselect any active selections. On Windows, press Ctrl and D. On Mac, press Command and D. Hidden selections can sometimes slow down tool processing or make Photopea behave strangely, especially in more complex projects. Clearing them is fast, easy, and worth doing before you continue working. After that, check your canvas size. If your document is much larger than the actual output you need, Photopea has to work harder than necessary. Downsize the canvas resolution to match your real target, instead of editing on an oversized file the whole time. Large canvases use more memory, create more lag, and can contribute to freezing, especially on lower powered machines. You should also simplify heavy layers wherever possible. Smart objects, complex effects, and large grouped layer structures can put extra strain on the browser. If you have a layer that is no longer needing non-destructive editing, you can right-click it and choose Rasterize. Just make sure you keep a backup copy first, because rasterizing removes editable flexibility. This step can make a huge difference in performance when a project becomes too complex. Now let's talk about hardware acceleration and WebGL, because this is one of the most important checks if Photopea keeps freezing. First, open your browser settings. In Chrome or Edge, go to your system settings and make sure Use Hardware Acceleration when available is turned on. Once you change it, restart the browser so the setting fully applies. Hardware acceleration allows the browser to use your GPU more efficiently, which can reduce lag and improve performance in visual web apps like Photopea. If hardware acceleration is already on and Photopea is still freezing, then the problem might be your graphics driver or a WebGL conflict. Inside Photopea, open the More menu, then go to Settings. Find the WebGL option and toggle it. If it is off, turn it on to let Photopea use GPU acceleration. If it is already on and things are unstable, try turning it off to see if the freezing improves. Some graphics cards and drivers simply do not play nicely with certain browser-based apps, so this test can help you find the most stable mode for your system. The key here is to test one fix at a time. That way you can figure out whether the problem is your browser, your extensions, your system resources, your project file, or your GPU settings. Once you identify the cause, Photopea usually becomes much easier to use. So, to recap, save immediately with Control or Command plus S, test in incognito mode, disable problematic extensions, close heavy tabs and background apps, clean up your project, and check hardware acceleration and WebGL. These steps solve a lot of freezing issues without needing to reinstall anything. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to speed up Photopea even more or fix common crash problems in a follow-up video.